The clear coat on a car helps improve its appearance and protects the paint from sun, dust, dirt, and other contaminants. It's important to maintain it, to keep your car looking great. Follow these steps to restore your car's appearance and protect its value. Wash the car thoroughly, removing all dirt, grime, and wax from the area of damage. Use a degreaser to remove any remaining residues. Lightly sand the peeled clear coat with 2000 grit wet sandpaper. Keep the area wet to avoid creating excessive heat. Be gentle to avoid damaging the underlying paint. Sand until the peeling edges are smoothed out and the damaged area blends into the surrounding paint. Then use automotive clear coat spray. Hold the spray can about 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Apply light, even coats, allowing each coat to dry before applying the next. Do this until the repair is level with the surrounding paint. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Spray provides a strong, long-lasting finish that resists chipping, fading, and peeling. It helps protect the metal surface from rust, adding an extra layer of defense. The finish is resistant to chipping, fading, and peeling, ensuring long-lasting results. Once the clear coat is dry, use a polishing compound to blend the newly applied clear coat with the rest of the car's finish. After the clear coat is dry, use a soft cloth to polish the surface. It helps to restore the shine and smoothness of the paint. You can follow some tips to prevent clear coat peeling. Apply a coat of wax every 3 to 6 months to protect the clear coat from UV rays, acid rain, and other environmental factors that can cause it to degrade. Whenever possible, park your car in a garage or under a tree to shield it from the sun's UV rays, which are one of the primary causes of clear coat decay. When washing or detailing your car, avoid harsh cleaners that can damage the clear coat. By following given methods, recommended product and tips, you can keep your car's finish looking great for years.